Welcome back to our channel. My name is Malcolm. I am one of the SEO specialists here at Pearl Lemon. In this quick video, just gonna introduce you to SEO Quake and actually how to use it. Awesome. So as you can see here, I've already have it installed through this banner. So using the example of pearllemon.com, it doesn't actually have this banner, but when you have SEO Quake installed, you will have that banner. Awesome. So just a quick one on how to install it. So you wanna head on to your Chrome web store and then type in SEO Quake, and you will find it right here with the SQ written in bold. Awesome. When you have it installed, you will then see a nice banner right here above. Just activate mine once more so we can get things started. There we are. So just in quick highlights. So this G is, as you can see, this is a Google icon. It just shows how many indexed link this URL, which is pearllemon.com, has on Google. So it's 685 for us, as you would see. And this is SEMrush backlink. So we have over 13,000. So this is always good to know when you're doing competitive analysis or just checking on your website on the daily. So always good to check. And this is subdomain backlinks, Bing indexing. So it's 949. Who is it? Practically tells you more on the background side of the website. For example, if I click on it here, it will show you where the domain was hosted on, the DNS values, and so on. This is really good if your client has lost their credentials and don't know who registered the URL. So definitely a tool to keep if you are a SEO specialist. So this is where you want to see, if you are a web developer, you can also see the source code, see everything in the code. If you want to see some errors there. And this is the SEMrush rank. So it's always good to note that, and Pinterest pins that are linking to this website or linking towards them. Awesome. So this is practically the banner. You're more than free or more than welcome to click on every single link over here so you can check for your website. These are just post summary reports. So this just tells you the most basic things on the website. Of course, there's other tools to help you with that, like detailed, but here it shows the title tag. It's well optimized, and the meta description, internal linking and external linking on the main page, as well as something that we refer to. But it speaks more about the search engines, such as Yahoo is also available over here. It's cache. So this is keyword density. Total number of keywords is, as you can see here, it's a very healthy amount, as well as you can see here, and it's found in title tag, meta description, and header tag, which is the most important values. All right, so that's also, so practically, so scrolling, this is one word keyword. This is 2 phrases, 3 phrases, and 4 phrases, as you would see there. There's also diagnose under the header tab, as you can see here. If you click on diagnosis, you'd see then the URL. So obviously for your page it will work, but mine just crashed. But that's a quick insight on the summary report. Now we move to the diagnosis. That's same that as well. So that's just a quick insight on how you can use SEO Quake just to analyze a website quickly. For more videos like this, please leave a like, leave a comment if you want us to create more videos like this that will help your understanding with your SEO, as well as stalk us on Pro Lemon. We'll be more than happy to do that. Till the next video, ciao.